This conference will now be recorded.
My name is William Hamilton. I'm the co-founder of SmartPath.co, and today we're going to talk about your guide to client advisory services, and we're going to break down the ISMA certification for tax and accounting professionals. So you hear all the time in the industry as a tax and accounting professional that you should be offering quote unquote advisory services to your clients. But your formal training didn't include any advisory services training. When you go to get your EA, when you go to get your CPA, when you get your accounting degree, it doesn't really give you that level of specificity in your day-to-day training. Also, your billing focuses on traditional tax preparation and accounting services for the most part. And so you may not have a mechanism or a way to bundle this type of work, and you may not know how to price or get paid for this type of work. And then even if you're already successfully offering some strategic advisory help to clients, you may not have a structured step-by-step process that anyone on your staff can follow that's going to guarantee the best possible results. And so the good news is over the last 12 years, we've helped firms in all 50 states increase their cash flow, reinforce long-lasting relationships with their top clients, and stand out from the competition, all by successfully implementing strategic advisory services in their tax and accounting practice. And so you don't need any federal or state licenses. You don't need to go back to school for years simply to help your clients strategically. We offer a certification process that takes less than 10 hours of study time and includes all the tools and training you need to make it easy and to make it pain-free. And we call that Intelligent Solutions Management, or for short, ISM. So what is Intelligent Solutions Management? Well, really, the ISMA certification qualifies you as an Intelligent Solutions Management advisor. This certification is intended for tax and accounting professionals that really want to take their work beyond data entry and beyond the basic historical reporting that you usually do for clients. And if you want to advance your client relationships forward with those people that have a desire to pay you more, to want to get help getting better results in their business and in their personal tax situation, and you want to expand your entire practice to year-round profitability, then the ISMA certification is really designed to help you do that. So how does Intelligent Solutions Management, how does that process differ from standard tax and accounting training that you may have already received? Well, traditionally, tax and accounting professionals are trained to assist in historical reporting to the IRS and state, or to reconcile accounting, or to create and generate basic financial reports. And then you're going to base your fees and your billing around that type of compliance work, helping the client stay compliant with their federal and state obligations. So the ISMA certification then wraps around your existing training, and it provides you with the technical skills to help your clients make better business and financial decisions within the scope of a strategic roadmap that you can create using a specific defined step-by-step process. So in the ISM certification, this is the foundational work that you'll learn how to do to keep your client on track and keep them protected from financial risk and uncertainty. It's going to focus your effort and your time on helping the client plan for the best possible results in the future. And most importantly, it's going to tie your fee and tie the engagements that you're billing your clients for to those results-based conversations that your clients really want your help with and they're very happy to pay for. Today's modern clients know that a lot of times they could use TurboTax to do simple tax preparation. They know that they can use QuickBooks to do basic accounting. Does that mean they're going to get the best possible result by using those technology tools? No, of course not. But the media has trained your clients that that's an option for them. And so if you don't have some type of offering that specifically shows how you can get a better result, how you can work with them in a more dynamic way than TurboTax, than them simply using QuickBooks by themselves, then we're going to still be in that client's mind as a cost instead of a profit for them. And so we want to be in that profit column in the client's mind. When they think about us, you want them to think about helping them get better results. And so when we tie fees to better results that the client wants, that's going to help the client see you for the real value that you are and be willing to pay. And so if you follow the Intelligent Solutions Management process. It's a 4-step process that's going to guide you and your client through a defined set of steps and action items on a year-round basis. And the steps are really simple. Number one, you're going to identify the client goals. Number two, you're going to help them calculate key success indicators. So what are the things happening in that client's life or in their business that show you how healthy they are from a tax and financial perspective? And what are the things that you can do to start moving them in the right direction? Step number three, you're going to help them neutralize threats. And then step number four, you're going to create an intelligent action plan so that you can work with that client throughout the year to help them create those best possible results that they really want. So where does Intelligent Solutions Management fit within your existing business? Well, it simply adds to your existing tax practice. It expands your firm beyond tax season, and it enhances existing and new client relationships. Because through your training, you're going to learn about business and personal success strategies and how to structure a profitable year-round process with your clients. And then what is your key role as an ISMA, as an Intelligent Solutions Management advisor, and what should you do and what should you not do to make sure that you don't create any extra liability, to make sure that you are keeping that client on track and moving in the right direction. So becoming an ISMA through SmartPath is going to provide your firm with all the training, all the testing, the certification, and the support that you need to really build the year-round tax business that you want. That's also going to be extremely profitable for you. So how do you get the ISMA certification? What do you need to do? Well, with your SmartPath membership, you get access to 7 training modules that are going to deep dive into every aspect of the ISM process. And then after certification, you're going to have access to downloadable client workbooks that you can use with your business and your individual clients, guides for implementing the ISM process with the client. So how do you actually do this from a step-by-step perspective? You're going to get positioning scripts for how to talk to the client about this level of service and why they would want to be involved and what are the benefits of it and why they would want to enroll in this type of model and this type of relationship with you. We also have pre-designed marketing materials that you can simply copy and paste and put your logo on that are fully customizable and fully editable. We also recommend tech tools and different tech solutions that can help make this process much easier and give you that structure, that automated structure for working with the client year round so that this becomes just as easy as doing a tax return. And then we also provide one-on-one assistance with our implementation team to make sure that you and your firm stay on track as you start moving the firm in this direction. What have others in the industry said about the ISMA certification? Well, this is Jessica Abella. She's a current SmartPath member, and she says we're now offering accountability and guidance on clients' bigger financial goals and setting ongoing check-ins. We aren't giving any investment or legal advice, but we can talk about tackling debt reduction or building towards college funds or structuring retirement distributions, whatever the client's goals are, and helping with these things that are in our wheelhouse to give guidance on that no one else is offering the client. It allows us to provide a higher level of service to charge a higher fee and to free us up from preparing so many one-off tax returns. Another thought is from Crystal Good. She's another SmartPath member. She's an EA. She says, I walked through the ISM workbook with a new business client today, and he was really impressed. He liked the idea of having his own personal action plan that's guided by a professional. I truly appreciate what you're doing for the tax professional community. It has fundamentally transformed the way I do business, the value I provide, and how I charge for those services. So there's firms across the country that are already seeing great success with their certification, and they're using it to enhance the year-round revenue in their practice. So we would love for you to grow your practice with SmartPath and get full access to the ISM certification process, year-round tools to help make this real for you, and then any of that one-on-one support that you may need. To learn more, you can visit our website at www.smartpath.co, and we'll see you in the next post.